Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix if WhatsApp status won't load. So first, you can close WhatsApp completely. So swipe it up and swipe it away, then reopen it and try again and see if that works. Next, you can also go to your settings, scroll down and go to general, scroll down and go to iPhone storage. Now in here, scroll down until you see WhatsApp, click on it and click offload app. So this will delete the app but keep its documents and data. So click offload app again to confirm it.
Quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, my team and I publish simply and easy to understand step-by-step tutorial daily. And I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to support our channel and of course so that you'll never miss out when we release videos just like this one every single day. Now let's continue.
Now once reinstall app appears, click on it to place back your data and wait for it to finish reinstalling. Once done reinstalling, open WhatsApp again and see if that fixed the issue. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.